Hi, it's Nancy welcoming you to Garden Scroll. Today is January the 13th and I am just now getting my little "Don't wait till spring" sign up. But I'm always ready to join this little bear when gardening season is over for the fall. I'm ready for a good winter's rest from it all. But yesterday we actually got out and got some of the old debris out of here. This was filled with mums and now it's pretty much cleared out for the summer, so that'll be great. I'll have a little bit of a head start. And I should have taken a before picture for you, but this is what it looked like before all these dormant or even dead tops. The tops are dead and they'll need to be cut off and thrown away, but there's roots down below them that are still alive and that will come back to life in the spring. So this would be a before. Hopefully I'll get some more of it done today. We had a really pretty day yesterday and expected to be pretty again today, so I'd love to at least get this little part that's in the front of our house kind of cleared up a bit. And I cleaned this out just a little, and I'm going to, this will actually come back. I'll have to probably trim some of it back, but some of this will come back to life because this is dianthus. But I'm hoping to get more of it cleared out today, as I said. And we're going to have some more cold weather coming in and maybe some snow, which actually would be good for some moisture, so that would be great. Today is January the 27th. Our new year is practically already past its first month, and this happened yesterday. We had a beautiful snow and we're needing moisture. I'm hoping for some rain, actually, for some soaking wonderful rain, but it's also very nice just to have this pretty snow. But before our pretty snow, we also had some really high winds that I came out here the other day and it was just everything practically was just blown down and destroyed, practically destroyed. I actually don't know if I'll be able to fix it all back together when spring comes, but I will try. It's always amazing how some Gorilla Glue or some kind of glue will put things back together and make it last a little longer. And I don't mind things like that in the garden that are just put together, because it's in the garden and that's going to happen. The elements are just going to be there and we're going to have wind again, and so it's just gonna, it'll be fine just to fix it back. Look at this pretty grass. I don't know if you can see it, how fine and beautiful that snow is on it. Isn't that pretty? That the snows look so much better than the results of the winds did. Some of the things that blew over I just left down because I don't want them to just keep blowing over and keep breaking. And I need to fill my little bird feeders up. I saw the birds whenever I came out, they kind of scattered everywhere, so they were looking. I was going to show you some of the things that fell down, but actually all the things that are on the ground are covered or mostly covered, and there's so much just laying on the ground. You can see there's something right here. It was the other one of the little angels with mirrors that reflect the garden. And here's another one of the things that got broken, my little squirrel's tail. And it's down there somewhere. I meant to bring it in the other day when I was out here, but I neglected to, and now it's lost in the snow. But actually it's supposed to thaw out, to begin to thaw even today, and we're supposed to have a nice weekend and then go back into a possibility of snow and ice. So I better get out here and get that little squirrel's tail and wrap them up a little better, because they are made of ceramic, and resin actually lasts better in the garden. This says, bless all those who enter here. So God bless you for walking in the snow with me this morning in the garden. So this wasn't exactly how I imagined this would be. I wanted to show it to you when it had a light dusting of snow or some frost on it and all the pretty purple colors shining through. But the purple colors have turned dark and almost black, and it just didn't turn out the way I imagined it, but it's still beautiful. So I hope you're enjoying your winter, and hope you're enjoying the beauty of the snow here with me this morning. Look at the beauty of the grasses in the snow, how pretty. So actually I'm getting cold, and I've just about had enough of this beauty of the snow for a little while. I'm going to go back inside in a little bit. Actually, I'm going to look a little bit more. It is pretty. But my fingers are getting cold, even with their gloves on. So this day will be something we can look back on in the heat of summer, when the sun's rays are about to melt us down. Please be sure to like and to subscribe to the channel.